Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm out here with my Wingsland, I always say Wingsland, with my Wingsland S6 brushless 4K GPS pocket drone, all kinds of crazy features. So I decided I love this bird so much, let me risk losing it in Lake Ontario. Huh? Sounds like a good plan. Well, I did that with my Dobby, Zero Tech Dobby, and it turned out fine. So we'll see. Check out all the other flights with this thing, the comparison between this and the Dobby also. Alright, I'm going to start recording. How much battery life? Supposedly 100%. Let's do it, man. Okay. Well, that's not gonna work. One of the props flew off. Haha. I got lucky because that means it would have flew in the water and this would have been done. I don't even know if I have extra props. I don't think so. Wow. That was scary. Well, see you guys on the next video. A bad thing could have been a worse thing. It could have went over there and cut out and the propeller could have fell off. So broken prop. Well, I'm lucky. Anyways, I'll get some new props, try this another time. Alright guys, let's try this again. It seems like I did have extra props in the box, so I put them on and we'll see what happens. See you guys at the spot. Alright, here we go again guys. Same spot, different day. A little breezier today, but still a nice day. Wingsland S6, let's go. All right, recording, take off. That's a lot better than yesterday. That's a lot better than yesterday. Well, now I have two broken props. I really don't know what happened. Maybe I didn't wait enough time for there to be satellites. Too anxious, that might have been it. But I'm coming back here tomorrow, man. I'm going to replace these props, these two broken props, and try it again. What's up, guys? Remember this thing? The luckiest quad ever. I'm the luckiest guy ever. This thing skipped maybe 1 foot above the water last time I flew this thing and ended up on the other side. Destroyed two propellers in the front, so it's the second time in a row I have to change the props. So this is a test flight, the new props. Nothing seems to be broken, but we'll see. It's kind of windy. 15 satellites, so it shouldn't be an issue. Turning the recording on. Oh. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Last time you scared the crap out of me. Well, the wind's taking it up and down. I know that's normal. Okay. Sitting pretty steady considering it's windy. Now it's going up again. That wind always messes this thing up. Device connected still. Alright, let's take a look at you. A lot better than last time. Alright, let's fly this thing, man. Alright. Okay, this thing is actually okay, probably. Let me see how far it is. It's 17 meters away. So anyways, let me hit return to home. See if it lands right on the sidewalk. Let's see. Seems like it's landing properly. Land where you took off, man. Alright. Okay. I guess you're okay. I guess you're okay. Alright, that was the test. Wingsland S6, guys. Luckiest bird in the world. Alright, see you guys on the next video. Next time you guys see this, flying it over Lake Ontario. Alright, later guys.